Got a mock layout here in front of me, and I'm going to bring in some graphics, and we're going to take a look at two things: creating a mask around an object and also using something called text wrap. So let me just use the place command to bring in my image, and here's my images. I'm going to take in Saturn's moon here. I'm just going to drag so I get the right size. There we have it. Now I want to mask that, so I'm going to use an oval. Choose the ellipse tool. Probably it would be a good idea to embed the image just so it travels with your Illustrator document. And now I'm just going to use the Option key to draw from center, and I'll just kind of get that ellipse close to what I need. There we go. And if I select that ellipse, let me just fill it in a different color so we see it. Select that ellipse, hold down the Shift key, select the image so we have both selected, and now Object, Clipping Mask, Make. Notice that the moon is now clipped. I'll select this, and now I'll go to Object, Text Wrap. I'll look at Make, and you'll notice that it puts this little boundary around it. It's almost like a coating of oil. If you think of the text as being like water, and text wrap is sort of like coating the object in oil so the text can't get near it. If we go to Object, Text Wrap Options, you'll see that we can increase or decrease that just to push the text back away from our object a little bit more. We don't want to do it too much, because if we do, it'll start to really break down and degrade the type either on this side or on this side, usually, especially on this edge here, giving you a lot of hyphenation in this region. And by that I mean these little dashes here. But that's bringing images in, using clipping masks on those images, and then applying text wrap. The one thing to keep in mind is that in order for this to work, the object that you're applying the text wrap to has to be on top of the text. So there we have it.